Yo guys, welcome back to another Tesla update video. Today I'm going to be talking about my thoughts and what to expect next with Tesla. As you can see, up 3% today. Not as good as Nvidia, but overall still a good day. And the real question is, are the bulls back, guys? That is the real question here. Before we get into it, I do have a Discord where I post a lot of trading updates for both Tesla and Nvidia every single day. I post about 10 updates for each stock, letting you know key levels to look out for, good buying positions. Then we get extend to one side of the spectrum or the other. And if you have any questions, of course, drop them in my community chat. I will definitely get back to you on that. So getting into it, also that link to that Discord is in the top of my description. Definitely go check out that free trial. It's free, so definitely go check it out. If you don't like it, then you could cancel, but a lot of people are seeming to like it. So yeah, getting into this analysis, guys. As you can see, using 415 as resistance now. We were using as support. 415 is a major key level right now. They've had that 1 hour time frame. And the fact that we had a great day for the stock market on Friday and still couldn't close above that 415 level is definitely worrisome for the bulls. That does mean the bears could be taking control. And if we take a look at this daily time frame, you can see for almost a year now, we've been in this rising channel, also known as a bear flag, and then recently broke to the downside a little bit. So it's hard to be too bullish on the stock right now. Of course, we could just be having a bullish retest right here if we just continue up. But the fact that we are breaking to the downside of this bear flag does make me want to caution longing Tesla right now. Also, if we look at 1 hour SMI, we are in overbought territories for the short term. You can see every time this does happen, we tend to get a move down. See, get that move down here, get that move down. It's not perfect, but it's pretty accurate, guys. So going into early next week, I would not be surprised if we at least got to move back down to the bottom of this purple zone. The bullish scenario here is if we get a bounce and we start using 415 as support early next week. And from there, we could chop a little bit, let that SMI reset. Because, guys, this purple one right here is a demand zone. It's obvious support. As you can see, we fell below it, had that double bottom, and got pushed way back up. So we definitely do not want to be using this purple zone as resistance, as we are already using that 415 level as resistance. So this is the bullish scenario here. We come down to the bottom of the purple zone, let the SMI cool off a little bit, get a bounce, start chopping above 415 using as support. In the coming days, we can make our move back up to the mid 420s, maybe even fill that gap at 430. That is a very bullish scenario. It could happen, but guys, overall, I do lean bearish right now. Due to the fact that we're oversold, we're overbought short term, and then we fell to the bottom side of that bear flag. But you never know. We could recover. We definitely could recover. It's definitely a possibility. We should gotta start using 415 as support, and then ideally get to the top side of that purple zone. But guys, this is what we do not want to be looking out for. If you are a bull, you do not want to see us coming below that purple zone and being used as resistance. Absolutely a no-go for long the stock. That does happen, with our first target to the downside being the low to mid 390s, where it looks like we were trying to find some support at a little while back. And then if we do fall below that, which, guys, we are overbought short term, so I could definitely see this happening. We fall below that 390 support and then come to the mid to low 380s where we had that double bottom a little while back. That would definitely be a little bit of support as well. But guys, if we are bearish, we could find a small bounce and then just continue lower, with that next target being 370, which, as you can see, we had a little gap a little while back. So if we do fall below this 380-ish, 383 level, then we're probably going to target that gap. And obviously we have this green zone right here where we've started this massive move up, which we are going to need to retest sometime soon. But if we do get this move all the way down to 370, guys, that 4 hour SMI will be all the way in the red again, meaning we probably don't have much more room to bleed. So I do not think we'll be seeing this green zone anytime soon. Even if we are bearish, it will probably take a few weeks. So in the next week or two, we could see down to that 370 level, but honestly, I do not see anything, any more of a deeper dive than that. But guys, that is the very bearish scenario, okay? So what we want to look out for, right? What we want to look out for early next week is this bottom of this purple zone. If we start using it as resistance, caution along the stock, we could be seeing a deeper dive especially if we close the day under it or close meaningful candles like a 4-hour candle under this purple zone. Definitely caution long the stock, as we can see it dive into the low 390s, followed by the low 380s short term. Although, if we do start using this 406 level as support, and we can actually claim 415 as support, and then chop up here, let the SMI reset, that is a very good sign, guys. That does not mean the bulls are out of the woods yet, but that does mean they're fighting, there's bullish momentum. And if we, claim the top list purple zone maybe in 2 weeks, and then I say 2 weeks because we are overbought short term, guys. So we need to chop. Even if we are bullish and claim 415 as support, we need to chop here, let the SMI reset, and then we can make another meaningful move up. So that is the bullish scenario. We get a bounce from 406, use 415 as support. Good sign for the bulls. That's about all they could do short term right now, being this far overbought. But yeah, guys, if we come down to this bottom of the purple zone, which we are probably going to come down to no matter what, even if we are bullish or bearish due to SMI being so overbought. But if we dip below it and start using it as resistance, caution long the stock, as we can see a deeper dive into the 300s. And guys, of course, I'll be updating my members as the market's trading, letting you know, when this is happening, when we are bearish or looking bullish. I'll be letting you key levels to look out for, good buying positions, maybe when it's a good time to short it. I shorted Tesla at 414. But I'm sure a lot of people bought there. They got FOMO. They're like, wow, Nvidia's up 8%. The whole stock market's pumping. Right. Tesla's got room to grow, but really when we look at the technicals, guys, and like I told my members, we're probably not going to get another meaningful move up, as we are very overbought. So that's just an example of how my Discord can definitely help you guys out. So yeah, guys, if we start using 406 as resistance, caution long the stock. If we use it as support, then that could be a good sign. Of course, I'll be letting you guys know on my Discord. Definitely go check it out. The link is in my description. Check out the free trial. And yeah, guys, I'll talk to y'all on Monday. Peace.